Straight from Mokau, New Zealand, comes our Mokau Pit Boys Chapter and the Mokau Butchery. You gotta check this out. And of course, what do they got? BBQ Pit Boys, rubs and sauces. You gotta check it out.
Straight out of the smokehouse. I've only just hung them up. So we've got I've done a new product of a pork salami and a pork bistek. Yeah, it's come out really good. Well, we got a full smokehouse today. We have wild pork bacon here, all in the front. And then we have shop bacon, all down the back. Right down, all the way to the back. All ready to come out and be rolled. The wild pork stuff's come out beautiful.
Be sure when you get there, give a shout to Brian, the butcher and owner, and Rob and Mel. Today, Wolfman from our Wolf and Rooster Chapter, New Zealand, is going to check out the Mokau Butcher's Paddock River Sea to Plate Surf and Turf Burger. All ground beef, rump patty, white baked egg fritter, grilled red onions, beetroot, crisp lettuce, mayo, some Pit Boys Smokey Whisky barbecue sauce on a cheese roasted sesame seed bun. Can you smell that? It smells good, baby. So when down in New Zealand, check out Mokau Butchery. Tell them the BBQ Pit Boys sent you.